Looking for a compact poultry processing solution? This 1,000 birds per hour line may be a good fit. A dedicated live bird hanging area starts the processing flow. Water bath stunning is available for suitable processing requirements. For halal processing, the stunner can be omitted. Manual neck cutting and bleeding keep the line simple and practical. Scalding prepares the birds for efficient feather removal. The electrical control system keeps the line organized and easy to manage. Vertical plucking and head pulling help prepare the carcasses for the next stage. Manual evisceration provides a flexible solution for smaller scale processing operations. Automatic feet cutting and unloading complete the final section of the line. The carcasses can be collected directly or transferred to a spin chiller for further cooling, designed around your processing needs. Halal Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions.